Building renewal is this whole idea of how we extend building life into the future. For the next 20, 30, or 40 years of their life, it really comes down to future-proofing and obsolescence. Do you want to future-proof your building both for its physical longevity and your financial performance? Or are you willing for it to be obsolete and for others to pass you by?
When we went down the path of building renewal, what we were looking at is an existing building that was almost 45 years old and was not operating at peak efficiency, and we knew that. Our goal wasn't just energy efficiency. That's big because there's a lot of dollars involved there, and that helped justify, the paybacks that we were looking for. But beyond that, we were really looking at trying to reposition our building in the marketplace, make it more competitive with newer buildings on the marketplace.
You're really looking at a total building system as a package and putting a plan, an action plan in place for how to implement total building system improvement and renewal is very attractive to us.
Making the business case was the easy part because Better Bricks did it for us. And they brought forth a report that said, here's where the opportunities are. All we had to do was carry that report down to our executives in San Diego and say, look at these opportunities.
You can take those heavily intensive capital projects like a central plant retrofit and bundle it with a more sensible economic proposition like an LED lighting retrofit. Then you have a modern investment profile that allows you to get those capital intensive projects done, but also improve your energy profile with some of those less intensive projects. I think the more successful renewal projects are the ones that are going to be willing to think creatively and are going to be willing to think differently than how they've thought in the past. We need to look at more metrics and really look at them holistically. What's my internal rate of return going to be on this investment? What's my lease absorption rate going to be? Those are all things that should go into that comprehensive renewal analysis that I would caution folks, or rather encourage people to be thinking about.
If we can do all the work that we've identified, and at the end of it, our tenants feel more comfortable and are actually seeing a savings in their operating expenses. And as such, we have an opportunity to maybe bump our rents up a little bit. That's successful. That's a win for our tenants in that they get a space that is much more efficient, much more comfortable, and we maybe see a little increase in revenue as a result of that.